Today, we're diving into ConverterFactory, a document conversion platform designed to help you transform files from one format to another quickly and easily. The website claims to support a wide range of formats, making it useful for professionals and everyday users alike. When you first land on the website, it's clean and straightforward, focusing heavily on simplicity and accessibility. Signing up is pretty easy, and the interface is user-friendly, but it does feel a little outdated compared to some other modern file conversion tools. However, the functionality it offers is what really matters. You can convert PDFs, Word documents, Excel files, images, and even HTML files with just a few clicks. Uploading files is straightforward, with options for both drag and drop and direct uploads from your device. Once your file is uploaded, you can choose from a variety of conversion formats. While the conversion speed is fairly quick, the quality can be hit or miss depending on the type of file you're converting. For standard documents like PDFs and Word files, it works quite well. However, when it comes to more complex documents with formatting elements like tables or images, the output might not always be perfect. The platform does offer batch conversion, which is a huge plus for those working with multiple files at once. Unfortunately, the free version is quite limited, and you'll likely need to upgrade to a paid plan to unlock the most useful features. The pricing itself is fairly standard for this kind of tool, but it could be a bit high for casual users. Ever got a file you just can't edit? Frustrating, right? Not anymore. DocuClipper makes editing, converting, and signing effortless in seconds. This and many other useful links you can find in the description. There's no built-in editor for tweaking files before conversion, which is a noticeable drawback. Additionally, the conversion results for certain file types, particularly scanned PDFs, can be inconsistent. That said, for basic conversions, it performs well, and the process is intuitive and straightforward. Security-wise, ConverterFactory states that your files are deleted from their server shortly after conversion, which is reassuring if you're working with sensitive documents. However, the site doesn't provide much detailed information about its privacy policies, which could be a concern for some users. Overall, ConverterFactory is a decent option if you need to convert documents quickly and efficiently. It's not without its flaws, particularly when it comes to complex formatting and lack of editing features, but it can be a helpful tool for simpler tasks. If you're someone who frequently converts documents between different formats, this platform is worth trying out. If you found this review helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more in-depth reviews on useful tools and software.